The Dewey's flatbeds first rolled out the very same year the Apple Macintosh hit store shelves. And while there wasn't a big Hollywood-style ad campaign behind it, these platforms have remained just as popular as Apple's early computers. The manufacturer takes pride in the J-Wise rugged design, built to handle demanding farm and ranch work, whether it's hauling fertilizer, tools, or stacks of hay bales with ease. The platform includes a built-in toolbox, full lighting, and a factory-installed trailer hitch right out of the gate. Its standard setup is designed to fit major truck brands like Dodge, Ford, and Chevrolet, offering a solid payload capacity of about 1.4 tons. And for all that reliability and performance, the price stays around $14,500, making it a serious workhorse for anyone who needs durability on the job. The standard multi-stand model can carry up to 454 kilograms of gear, making it perfect for hauling lumber, bicycles, or even a full-size family tent. It's easy to see why the makers confidently say that Multi helps you unlock the real potential of your vehicle. Useful add-ons like ladders, toolboxes, and extra mounts for kayaks or bikes make it even more versatile. The Multi fits a wide range of vehicles, from the Ford Ranger to the Jeep Gladiator. An installation couldn't be simpler. There's no drilling required, and the base version is cleverly built from only 3 main components, proving that smart design can make heavy-duty work both simple and efficient. Bigger vehicles deserve bigger tools, and that's where the side puller comes in. This powerhouse can effortlessly pull, flip, and load everything, from small passenger cars to massive shipping containers, depending on the model. It's equipped with a sturdy winch, capable of handling up to 9 tons, and just like the earlier Swiss system, the side puller is fully remote controlled. That means the operator doesn't have to stand right next to it. They can work from behind, the sides, or even at an angle with full precision. Despite not relying on stabilizer legs, its performance remains remarkable. The redesigned supports handle ground clearance effortlessly, giving it incredible stability. It's built strictly for professional use, proving that serious jobs require equally serious equipment. Torquay Lift Central has discovered a clever way to double the practicality of your truck bed. Whether you're hauling gear for work or heading out for a weekend adventure, their simple yet brilliant solution is a tailgate-mounted ladder. It's one of those ideas that makes you wonder why it didn't exist sooner. Depending on the model, this ladder provides up to 6 sturdy steps and can support loads of up to 170 kilograms. It makes climbing into a rooftop tent, loading tools, or accessing your truck bed far easier and more comfortable. And here's a cool touch. The steps feature special inserts that glow for up to 10 hours after just 5 minutes of sunlight. That's smart design done right, practical, safe, and made for real-world use. Sometimes, loading up a pickup truck feels like trying to fit an elephant into a suitcase, especially when you're handling heavy construction gear like cement bags or bulky barrels. Thankfully, the clever minds over at Parent Tools have come up with a way to make this whole process a lot smoother and even a bit fun. They've introduced the lift and slide cart, a smart piece of equipment built to handle loads of up to 200 kilograms. With it, you can easily load your pickup solo without breaking a sweat. It's one of those inventions that makes you go, why didn't someone think of this sooner? A lot of pickup owners know the struggle. Tools and gear sliding around the truck bed can be more than just annoying. It can actually be dangerous. Yet, surprisingly, few companies have come up with a truly practical fix. That's where DZ steps in with something clever. At first glance, it might look like your standard side-mounted toolbox, but there's a lot more going on here. Watch how smoothly it slides out, giving you quick access without climbing into the truck bed. Even more impressive, it can handle up to 272 kilograms of weight. That's some serious toughness and engineering right there. Security hasn't been overlooked either. The box comes with double protection, meaning anyone trying to break in would have to get through both the lock and the tailgate. Smart, strong, and practical. Exactly what every truck deserves. With Load My Boat, even a single person can move a heavy boat with remarkable ease, almost as if it were light as air. With just one tap on the wireless remote, a boat weighing up to 181 kilograms smoothly rises into its transport position, as graceful as a perfectly timed ballet move. And the best part? You don't even have to haul the boat out of the water. The system also works in reverse. With the same effortless control, you can lower your boat gently back into the water whenever you're ready. Designed for boats up to 4.8 meters long, it comes in various width options to fit different needs. Ever wished your pickup truck could double as a mobile office, a hunting base, or just a chill spot on the go? Well, with Diggy folding seats installed in your truck bed, you can make that happen. Trust me, your back will thank you for the 13-centimeter thick high-density foam, which keeps things super comfy even on long trips. The steel grab handles aren't just for looks, they're practical too, giving you a sturdy grip to climb in and out with ease, even when the seats are folded down. The clever design allows you to set up the Diggy seats along the sides, or even back-to-back in the middle, depending on your setup. It's a small upgrade that totally transforms your truck into something way more functional and fun. Picture this, the ultimate travel crate for your dog. Strong, cozy, and built for every kind of adventure. That's exactly what the Impact Dog Crate delivers. Despite weighing just 13 kilograms, this crate still offers plenty of room for breeds, like the German Pinscher or American Eskimo dog, to stretch out comfortably. This crate should be the best gift to your dog to ensure his comfort in long trips. WKSP stands out as the world's first solar-powered system designed exclusively for pickup trucks. It's a smart combo of a battery pack and a portable wheeled unit fitted with solar panels that double as a foldable protective cover. This system can draw up to 800 watts of power from the sun and store as much as 1,843 watt-hours of clean energy. What's even more impressive is that the panel-covered truck bed actually boosts aerodynamics, helping reduce fuel consumption by about 13%. And when it comes to setup, the WKSP keeps things simple. It can be installed in just 4 minutes and removed in 2. So if you've ever dreamed of turning your pickup into a mobile energy station, this innovation makes that dream a reality. Now that's what you call true rack and roll. This clever setup is built specifically for hauling motorcycles off-road, and it's just as bold, fast, and rebellious as the name suggests. Its unique combo of turnbuckles, brackets, and chocks has left more than a few experts surprised. You can take on all kinds of rugged terrain or stunts without ever worrying about your bike tipping over. The Sports Edition can handle up to 275 kilograms, which means it's strong enough for 2 Euro bikes or even a superbike with minimal ground clearance. One person can easily manage the whole setup, thanks to a front-wheel lock that keeps your motorcycle perfectly stable while you strap it down. The X-Rack system, coming straight out of Switzerland, brings a clever solution for hauling debris or construction equipment using an ordinary pickup truck. The key is keeping the load under 1.2 tons, which the sturdy welded S355 steel frame easily supports. What makes it even better is the remote-controlled loading and unloading, so you don't have to break a sweat doing the heavy lifting yourself. And just in case something goes wrong, there's an emergency stop for extra safety. Tramontina, a brand most people recognize for its cookware, furniture, and home essentials, is stepping into a new lane, and it's one every driver and handyman will appreciate. Meet their tool organizers, designed to make any motorist's life smoother and more organized. The standard 1 meter wide model includes 5 lockable drawers, giving you nearly 3 square meters of storage for spare parts, tools, and all your on-the-go gear. To keep everything quiet and steady, the designers built in a Viber-stop system, which reduces those annoying rattles while driving. They even added rubber seals to block dust from creeping in. The bottom drawer can hold a solid 40 kilograms, while the smaller upper drawers carry up to 30 kilograms each. Tramontina's creators proudly say it's the perfect companion for farmers, mechanics, or anyone who likes to keep their tools right where they belong. The DV8 off-road team, true to its adventurous spirit, has designed a spare tire mount that every off-road lover will appreciate. It takes roughly an hour and a half to install, is priced at $490, and offers an incredibly handy width adjustment ranging from 18 to 35.5 centimeters. In simple terms, this means it's not just for tires, you can also use it to haul motorcycles or other bulky gear with ease. Plus, the side-mounted panels are a thoughtful touch, giving you space to attach shovels, jerry cans, and other essential tools for your next rugged adventure. Even portable toilet maintenance has entered the high-tech era with the ROM Flexi 55300. This powerful system allows you to handle the entire job directly from your pickup truck. No extra setup needed. It can store up to 550 liters of waste and includes a 300-liter tank for clean water, keeping everything running smoothly on site. With this advanced setup, you can service up to 25 portable toilets daily and pump waste at speeds reaching 2,500 liters per minute. The unit runs on a 9-horsepower Honda gasoline engine, making it reliable, easy to maintain, and even simple to transfer between trucks when needed. To top it off, the reinforced frame includes forklift pockets, ensuring easy loading and mobility wherever the job takes you. Another impressive canopy option comes from Thorburns, a company that takes modular design seriously. Built from 3mm thick aluminum, this canopy instantly stands out thanks to its sleek gull-wing doors and a wide variety of optional add-ons. You can easily enhance it with shelves, a ladder, a spare tire mount, or even advanced electronic systems. Basically, whatever fits your specific needs. For a little extra, Thorburns will fully customize the setup to match your professional demands or weekend adventures. It's the ultimate pick for anyone who loves freedom on 4 wheels and wants both style and function in their ride. From a cargo management perspective, this sliding platform is a real game changer. It smoothly moves forward and backward, giving you easy access to items at the far end of your truck bed without the hassle of climbing in. Built to support up to 300 kilograms, it's tough enough to handle bricks, firewood, or even heavy cement bags effortlessly. For extra practicality, it locks securely in a half-extended position, offering both stability and convenience while you work. The installation process is refreshingly simple too. No need for special tools, and it usually takes just a few hours to get it fully set up and ready to roll. Coming to the end, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on the next round of futuristic tech and truck upgrades.